Break out the barbecue. That's the kind of weather we are having as we continue to roll with beautiful and well above average temperatures. 51 degrees right now as we enjoy a quieter evening. The wind's starting to taper off just a bit. It's still from the northwest at 10 miles per hour. Grand Forks, a lovely November evening, 50 degrees on the thermometer, wind under 10 miles per hour. Dew points are in the 30s, so the air that's moved out over the valley now a little drier than it has been over the past couple of days. Clouds have cleared from our southern and eastern counties, and everybody near 50 degrees as we head into the evening hours. Some of the cool spots up near the international border where Langdon has 45 degrees. Crystal clear skies for almost everyone. The Twin Cities still seeing a few clouds, and actually radar showing a couple of blips on the screen there, but nothing very heavy. Down in the Central Plains state, we have a weather hiccup out there. Temperatures aren't too bad, but they're definitely getting some scattered showers. For us, there is a storm system off the west coast, but it is going to remain parked there for some time as we have a very strong ridge of high pressure right here that's just really kind of acting to shield us from any of that stormy weather for at least the present time. And that's why our trend of nice and quiet weather continues into your evening. Temperatures slipping into the 40s with decreasing wind as we head to bedtime tonight. Now overnight, not much changes. Crystal clear skies, temperatures dipping into the 30s, low 30s in places like Cavalier, Langdon, Pembina, Roseau, mid 30s for you, and mid 30s in Lakes Country. Some areas of patchy fog are a possibility, or frost certainly up to the north, as many of us will be in the 30s to start our day as we head toward the midday hour. Here's the difference between our Monday and our Tuesday. On Election Day, we'll see sunny weather, but not nearly as much wind. So 5 to 10 mile per hour wind from the west or northwest, and temperatures that will be well above average for this time of the year. We're talking mid, maybe even a few upper 50s in the south. 48 to 55 degrees up north for a very fair election day across the valley. Hardly any clouds to be worried about even into the evening. If you're heading to the polls later, it looks like conditions will remain quiet and very mild for this time of the year. So here's a look at your planning forecast then for Fargo-Moorhead. Starting out in the 30s, rising up with sunshine and light south winds to the mid 50s for your afternoon. 57 Jamestown at 4 o'clock, 52 in Langdon up in northwest Minnesota, low 50s for you, mid 50s for much of Lakes Country, including Wadena, Fergus Falls, and Detroit Lakes. Here's a look then at what we are expecting for your planning forecast. But first, take a look at this gorgeous lake shot here, Clearbrook, Minnesota. Oliver uploading that fiery sunset to valleynewslive.com. Right after a quiet election day with cooler temperatures but light winds, we'll see warmer weather on Wednesday. Again, 62 degrees, the record for Fargo on that date, 66. So near record highs midweek as we enjoy mild conditions. Again, a little cooler Thursday for your Veterans Day. It looks like temperatures will slip back into the 40s, but that's still above average for this time of the year. The weekend looking delightful as we'll see temperatures try to squeak back up toward the 60-degree mark on Sunday. Monday, a little cooler, but we've got a big old moon on there because it is the day we will have the next full moon. It's a super moon, so the Beaver moon in November, and it happens to be really, really close to Earth, closest it's been in about 50 years.
Cool.
So that'll make it really large.
Okay.
Okay. Big moon.
Thank you
All
for
right,
that.
thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah, big.